Hello students, in today's chapter you will learn to make your desktop attractive by changing the background. Ubuntu offers its users a friendly environment which is GUI, which means user need not to remember the commands. Now let's learn about different parts, or you can say the components of Ubuntu window. In Ubuntu window, we have different type of components, that is icons, launcher, status menu and desktop background. Now let's learn about desktop icons. Icons are the small pictures that you can see on the screen which represents softwares, files, folders, etc. Desktop icons on Ubuntu screen you can see are that are highlighted. The icons are Show Application, Ubuntu, Settings and Trash. Now let's select an icon. To select an icon, just do a simple click over it and it will be selected. You can see it on the screen. If we can select it, then we can deselect it also. So to deselect an icon, click on any empty area of the desktop and you can see the icon is deselected. Now it is not selected on the screen. That means we are cancelling the selection. Now let's learn about launcher. It is very important part of desktop as it allows to open any application easily. It is placed on the left side of the Ubuntu desktop. It contains most commonly used applications. With the help of launcher, we can select any application. You can see it. It is at the left side of our desktop. See, it is highlighted on the screen. Learn rearranging the icons of the launcher. To rearrange the icons of the launcher means you can change the location of the icons that are present in the launcher and you can do it according to your need. But if you want to do it, for that you have to take the steps. You have to click on the icon, then use drag and drop technique. Means you can drag the icon and you can drop it at the new location. Now let's lock the icons. To lock the icons that we use frequently, click on Show Applications button. I am clicking there. This is Show Application. Now right click on the icon to add in the launcher. Suppose I want to add this icon. I am doing right click. Now choose Add to Favorite icon and that icon you can see is added in the launcher. Now this icon is locked. Now let's unlock it. It means you can remove the icons also from the launcher. If you can add, you can remove also. So for that also, right click on the icon and just click on Remove from the favorites and that icon will be removed from the launcher. See. Now let's learn to resize, or you can say the change of the size in icons. For that, again use right click of the mouse. Do right click on the empty area of the desktop and choose display setting options from this drop down menu. Now choose appearance option. From here I will be choosing appearance option. Now I will move the slider to right and left to change the size of the icon. Now we will use Show Applications icon. This icon helps to search information present in computer system. Just you have to type the related keywords in the search box. We have a search box here. You can see this is my search box. Here I have to type the keywords that I want to search. Any file, any folder, any program, any application. I just have to write the keywords that are related to my search. We can see search results here. You can see suppose I'm typing WR in the search box. All the apps which has the keyword of WR will appear on the screen. You can see. This is how I can search. Now let's learn about status menu. It is a place at the right side of the title bar. You can see it has various control options, like we have volume icon in this, which helps to set the volume of the speakers actually, and it works like a toggle button. Toggle means we are going to use it for switching on and off both. Now we have language icon also in status menu. It sets the language of the system. By default we are using English language. So to change the language you can select the different language from the options. Thank you for watching the video.